Digital intelligence empowers logistics. Innovation drives industrial upgrade. HCGZ Intelligence, with the aspiration to become a world-leading supplier of integrated, intelligent logistics solutions, driven by technological innovation, we build a highly collaborative and full-chain product portfolio and intelligent logistics solutions, boosting the industrial upgrading of global customers. HCGZ Intelligence, inheriting 70 years of profound manufacturing heritage of Hangcha Group, we focus deeply on intelligent logistics and industrial operation and maintenance. We integrate cutting-edge technologies such as multimodal perception, cluster collaborative scheduling, and lightweight hardware integration into the whole workflow, and establish a one-stop, fully closed-loop industrial ecosystem, enabling innovation to deliver tangible value to customers rapidly. HCGZ Intelligence. We gather top-tier R&D talents and lead the industry with strong innovation strength. Our self-developed software system platforms fully meet diverse, customized demands and support the deployment of various products and applications. With in-depth industry research and customer insight, backed by a comprehensive product matrix, we cover multiple scenarios, including production, warehousing, and operation maintenance, and provide integrated and collaborative intelligence solutions. Relying on full-scenario intelligent navigation, multi-agent scheduling, and flexible collaboration capabilities, we effectively solve efficiency bottlenecks in material handling and warehouse picking, acting as the core driving force for high-quality intelligent logistics. With multiple models, 24/7 operation, and all-round monitoring and early warning, our products adapt to complex operating environments, forging a solid safety defense line for industrial maintenance across various industries. We realize in-depth collaboration between software and hardware, break through full-link data silos, and customize smart factory and intelligent warehousing systems for customers. We have extensive coverage of diversified core sectors, including automotive electronics, renewable green energy, digital economy, and e-commerce, daily consumption, food and beverage, tire and rubber industry, engineering machinery and equipment manufacturing, oil, gas, and chemical industry, as well as urban power tunnel. We embrace the future with visionary deployment and win-win cooperation. Authoritative media reports and customer feedback fully witness the technological innovation and service value of HCGZ Intelligence.
我们选择Hangcha AGV 智能物流系统，实现了24小时不间断的工作。
Adjust the work in a manner to minimize the cost of processing each order. This allows us to keep our promise to provide an exceptional customer experience.
降低了运维人员的巡检工作量，同时大大的提高了巡检的频次以及巡检的精准度。
工事ロボティクスの巡視点検ロボットを日本国内の電力会社に納入し、電気保全スマート化に貢献しています。
HCGZ Intelligence has built a global service network to deliver 24-hour timely response. From personalized solution customization, product supply, and project delivery, to full life cycle service support, we stand by customers all the time, regardless of location. We provide solid support for customers' digital transformation and join hands with global partners to create a new chapter of efficient, intelligent, and green smart industry.